What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Totally Inspired with me, your girl, Siwa Dube. As you can see today, I am having my makeup done. I am going to Orange Farm where we have Umembeso. And I am not by myself today. I have the beautiful Kenny with me. Please say hi to the viewers.
Hello, hi.
Kenny does my makeup when I have special events, and today we have Umembeso, and what she's gonna do is she will make me look like someone that is going to Umembeso. And we always fight with Kenny. We always fight. If she says that, I stick to one thing, and I don't like experimenting with colors.
Yes.
So today I said I'm going to Umembeso. Kenny, do your thing. I told you that we were doing Umembeso, ne?
Okay.
And this is like a Zulu traditional step to marriage. You maybe for the sake of the viewers, you might as well want to explain to us in your culture how you guys, the step of marriage. What do you guys do?
Okay, because I'm in Nigeria, and we have three tribes in my country, which is the Igbo, the Yorubas, and the Hausas. And we have three different type of.
Are those the only tribes, Kenny? I thought Nigeria had like lots and lots.
No, in between the Yorubas, we have the Ondo, the.
So those are the main ones.
But the main one are just three, which is.
Oh.
But in between those three, there are different tribes in it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but my Yoruba side, I'm the Yoruba part,
Mm-hmm.
and our marriage, right? It's compared to the Igbos. We believe the Igbos are more expensive when it comes to the bride price.
Hey, I hope they won't be fighting you. They won't be coming here and saying,
No,
"Oh,
it's
told
true.
you." They know.
No, they know.
Is it?
They know the bride price. They know. In our bride price, most mothers don't collect it because they tell you we're not selling our daughter off.
In which culture?
In Yoruba culture, but when they give them in cash.
Oh, okay.
But other items like the yam, our African food, the yam, the palm oil, the kola nut, the small papa, even the Bible, those gifts they collect.
Oh.
But when it comes to cash that we're paying, they don't. Most mothers don't. No, because the mother will tell you, I'm not selling my daughter. So in case if the marriage does not work, you're free to come home. Mother, I'm done with bro. I just finished trimming your bros.
Okay. So now with Umembeso, there's an exchange of gifts. Yes. The Bible, as in the Bible to
Yeah,
get.
it will be wrapped. All those items will be wrapped in the.
What is the
fashion.
Bible for?
It's for the bride and for the couples. But all those items are provided by the groom. Well, and if you're a Muslim, you bring the Quran.
The Quran. Oh, so that is to set the spiritual foundation.
Yes.
For the couple.
Yes.
Oh, okay, yeah. Well, I think for the Zulus, this is all about setting the couple up and just making sure when they start their home, they've got a bed to sleep on, they've got blankets to use, and all the other gifts that they bring. And I said as I said, I think it's also to just bring the families together, because some of the family members also get a few items. And it differs, I think, from culture to culture in Southern Africa. But a lot of people are now complaining that people are making weddings or marriages a cash making scheme. You know what I mean? Families like asking for unreasonable things. Do you get that in Nigeria? Are people like
Yeah. It depends on the family you're getting married to. Like, you tell your family he doesn't have much. Please be considerate when it comes to the list.
Do you guys consider how educated a lady is, what she has accomplished in life as a determining factor in terms of how the bride price is structured?
Yeah, it depends on the family itself, how influential the family is.
Oh, it's about the family, not about the bride.
It is not about the bride. But most in Nigeria, they rather prefer, I'm rich, you're rich.
Oh,
Respect.
same class.
Same class.
Okay. For us, some families will consider that when they are calling for the bride price, to say, oh, our daughter is educated, our daughter has done so much, and that counts for something. And do you guys also look at whether someone's got a child before, say the bride had a child before she got married? Is that a deal breaker?
It is. But before I left home, it's a deal breaker. That is why the rate of abortion in Nigeria is too much.
Oh, because girls want to get into marriage without
a child out of wedlock. It's like a taboo. Once you get pregnant, you can't go to school.
And is this still happening, Kenny? Like, as we speak in the 2022s?
Yeah. So it's just the grace of God, the parents, especially the mother, who allow. And so I'm not my son.
Oh, the mother seems to have a very influential.
Yes, I know, man. They be like in Nigeria, my mother. I'm telling you from experience. Most mothers are, although they are mothers, but as a man, you must be able to stand up
And
for your wife, because you've lost a lot of good women, all because I want to please my mom. Okay, now I'm working on the bro.
Okay.
I'm counseling the bro.
And you said which product is that?
With the counseling, I'm using True L'Oreal True Match.
Okay.
Just to conceal the bro. I'm used to it, but you know, working by the left side is different from
working on the right. Is that why sometimes the bros will never be
equal?
Yeah.
The P. Louis base is it's a eyeshadow primer.
Eyeshadow primer.
Yeah.
And please, if there are Zulus watching, I hope I'm getting this right, because I try to get my research right. Please forgive me if I make mistakes here and there. The Zulu culture is very much similar to my culture as well. So the guy's family, they write a letter to the girl's family saying that they are interested to take their daughter's hand in marriage, and that letter is delivered to the family of the girl. That is where everything starts.
They set a date for the introduction.
Okay.
In introduction, probably you just come with a wine, a bottle of wine, just like, okay, this is the fiancé. That is where the fiancé comes in.
You know, with us, what happens is when the families finally do get to meet, you know, first you wait outside. Actually, you don't just come in. Yeah, you don't just come in. You wait outside. You mention the surname of the family that you're coming to visit, and make sure you do your research in terms of their the clan names. You know, get them right.
Yes,
if you get things wrong, you do get fined.
And the groom will not be there.
Yeah, no. In our case, the groom is not there. He only comes in when everything is agreed on, or he's asked to come. Yeah, he really leaves the heavy lifting to the uncles. Yes, I don't know if that's the case in your culture. Is the groom involved in everything, or he?
Yeah, it's involved, because you know there's no lobola negotiation there. It's just for introduction that, okay, we are coming. We saw a beautiful flower, our son, so we like to pluck and introduce ourselves, and that's where it all starts. From that moment, they set a date.
For the wedding?
No, not for the wedding, for the engagement. We have 3. We have the white wedding. It depends on your culture. It depends on how buoyant you are financially.
Yeah, in the Zulu culture, my understanding is that Umembeso would actually be sort of an equivalent to an engagement, you know, prior to the big white wedding, the big wedding that's going to take place.
Now in Nigeria these days, because of the economic now,
it's like,
and you don't care what people say now, because you've been listening to people, how buoyant they are, and at the end of the day, you go back to them asking for money, to support for food,
and they won't.
They will be a laughing stock.
You had a big wedding
and you could not save. That's a disgrace.
Because at the end of the day, it's not about them.
It's about you.
It's about you.
After the wedding.
After the wedding, you can say that again. Yeah. Wow, I like how it's coming up now.
You don't like to try colors. See, when I saw your nails, I'm like, oh, because you're like fuchsia, pink, or red.
You see, so the one thing I've always wondered, Kenya, about makeup, how do you decide where the dark colors go, where the bright colors go, when you're going to be working with more than one color for eyeshadow?
So when it comes to that color, when I want to work on blue, I know the blue goes down, the green goes up. The lighter blue goes up, just to give it this finished look. Yeah, for the evening. Now I'm done with the eyeshadow.
Okay.
Now
how many colors did you use?
2.
Green and what?
Green and lime green. It's just to complement the green, because it's going to be too dark if I have to use just the green low.
Okay.
because you don't sweat a lot.
Yeah. So the primer is to do what?
Is to avoid you being sweating. Although I have an oil block, I have a sweat block, but you don't have that.
No, okay.
You understand? So I don't go with that. Just to avoid excess sweat. And the most part where people sweat is the nose, the forehead. For me, just to play safe, I go around the face.
I've seen these videos of people at Nigerian weddings, yeah? People throwing money, like putting money on people's the headgear, the body, everywhere. Like, can you explain that? What is that about?
That is like when you're coming for a wedding. If you can't gift, like most especially, people prefer that. Give me money, then I know what I'm going to use it
for, rather than bringing
gifts.
Oh, okay.
It's rare for gifts. But the money section, they throw money. That is when you will know you have good friends. If that is not done in a wedding, you've not had a wedding.
Really?
Yes.
So if you are invited to a Nigerian wedding, you must make sure you've got hard cash.
Hard cash. Yeah, there are people who come to the wedding, and it's a mint money, a clean money.
Yeah, it has to be clean.
Yes, it's not old money.
Okay.
So you have to go to the bank.
Withdraw.
No, you can't withdraw. You go to the bank, specifically ask for that type of money. But there are people who are doing it. They've taken it as a business now. There are two things we do. After the money, we give out souvenirs. You know souvenirs?
Yes.
Yes, we do it.
What type of souvenirs do you do?
It can be petrol.
Petrol?
Yes, was a souvenir. And we have fuel scarcity in Nigeria. And someone like, that shows they are rich. Okay. They are capable. That is why the petrol, like banana, chicken, live chicken.
That's a souvenir.
It's a souvenir. I'm now going on to the foundation. At times we mix foundation because you can't buy the whole of the foundation. But you can only buy a few as a makeup artist. Then combine
to bring your own color.
Yeah, the skin color. But I've been working with you. I know your perfect skin color, so I don't mix. When applying the foundation, me looking at it like, does it go with my skin? No, for now, but it's going to set in after some time, like 3 minutes. Then that's when you actually know if it's your skin color. This is just the applicator. So, but to give it a finish and perfect look, I use the beauty blender. Why some use a brush? But as a makeup artist, you actually have to use what works best for you.
So now what are we using?
Conceal. I need to conceal the under eye.
And so now what are you doing?
I'm baking the face.
Baking?
Yeah. What was that all about? Just to contour, to give you a slimmer face.
Slimmer look?
Yeah.
So what?
Your blush. But I think you do not like too much of the blush thing.
No, I don't. What are you putting?
Just the highlight. That's why it's nice.
I'm a winner.
People are good with makeup, they will know.
Hey.
You don't like it, I know.
No, I don't.
I know. It's because you're going for what you're going for. If it's
my lips, man, they're dryish.
This is just most moisturizer.
So if the makeup, the eyeshadow is bold, the lipstick must be quiet.
If the eyeshadow is quiet, the lips.
Yeah, it must be very bold.
Do you want the wing or the normal?
Wing, please.
Okay, please close. Look up, open. Not so much, just look there. Look down. Yes.
So if people want to get hold of you, how can they get hold of you? Instagram, what's your Instagram handle?
Ola Empire.
And then on Instagram they can inbox you.
Yeah, once they click on the bio link, it takes them to the WhatsApp page immediately.
Oh, great.
So now I think we are done. So I'm going to dust that off by blending it in properly. If not, okay. So you look up for me.
So I guess the similarity is that at the end of the day, when there's an African wedding of any kind, the idea is to build relationships as the two families come together.
Yeah.
Which is what this Umembeso that I'm going for. That's the purpose. I think one of the most important things about Umembeso is the joining of the two families and also the gifting element. You know, Africans are very giving people, I think.
Yeah.
That's the one thing about us across the continent, our giving nature. So that's what the purpose of this Umembeso is, you know. So yeah, it's really nice. I hope one day I can get to
Nigeria.
yes. It's been nice getting to know, hey?
Yeah.
It's been really nice getting to know the culture.
So now the eyelashes.
Okay.
Don't want something too much, I know.
I don't want something too much on the eye. I prefer these ones. These ones are very light on the eye.
Yeah, and you'll be able to take them out immediately.
Really, I can't do makeup and not
Wear the lashes.
work on the lashes. No, I think that is like the cherry on the cake.
Yes, even as a makeup artist, you will definitely know something is missing
If there are no lashes.
if there are no lashes. Perfect. Do you like your look before I do the finishing?
What's
The finishing is just to set the eye.
Okay, what's the purpose of the spray?
Just to give it another perfect finish look and to make it last longer. And now I'm done.
You're done. Thank you, Kenny.
Thank you so much.
See you next week.
Yes.
For my next event.
Yes.
So guys, this is the final look. Let me get closer. This is what Kenny has worked on. Please don't mind the hair. I'm here to comb it and look proper. But yeah, thank you so much. And please remember to visit her Instagram page. Just to support her. I've been using her for the past 3 years. I hope you enjoyed our discussion as well on how we prepare for marriages in our different cultures. She shared on her way of doing things in Nigeria, and I also shared a few insights on how we do it. And please do comment down below, share, like, and subscribe. Until next time, keep inspiring.